Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm working with two different sets of Cute Cut Craft full boxes, and the interesting thing with this week is it's a partial week, so the first part of the month is the January colors, and then the last 2 days are the February colors. So very conveniently, Cute Cut Craft, which is an Etsy shop, had full box stickers in both these pumpkin designs with the blue and or teal and yellow and the pink and ivory. So it works out really well for me to be able to use kind of the same themed stickers, but then have a different set of colored boxes so that it maintains the colors of that month. So I'm using her stickers here as well with the names that I had custom made. Those are a fantastic option. And then I'm just making note. So the top picture is my daughter at Girl Power, and the second picture is me doing a grab bag haul, which was a really popular video. I can link it here for you if you want to take a look at everything that I got in the Michael's grab bags. It was pretty fantastic. We had a fantastic volleyball night on Wednesday. We beat one of the really tough teams, and here I started to write the word won, and then I realized, oh geez, I've wrote an M instead of an N, so I have to find something to cover it up. So I did it's a win, and I wrote down that we got 3 points. They were the first place team until we had that win. We got moved into the top of the division, so that was a really great night. It was also my son's birthday. On Thursday, I made mention of all the fun things that are happening with FabFitFun. Spoilers, add-ons, and customizations all through this week. So I wanted to make a note of that because it's really been consuming a lot of my time to sort of research and decide what products I want to add on. My daughters had their own slumber party just at our house. They watched a movie and had a sleepover in each other's room, so I wanted to make note of that. My other daughter's first rehearsal and my son's soccer game. I donated a bunch of the ribbon to the Scrap for Heart that came in my grab bag haul. So I went to the meeting, that's why I took the picture of the ribbon there. I went for a lunch date with my husband, and I noted that as well. I put volleyball games in on all the days that I played volleyball this week. I had a doctor's appointment, so I thought I would make note of that. And the other thing is the Secret Cupid YouTube hop, which is going to be 14 days of amazing Happy Mail packages that are sent literally across the globe. I received my gift from New Zealand. I sent to Australia. I am in Canada. We also have people in the US. So really is a great series of videos. I can link that video series for you here as well. I'm just making a note of all the gifts that my son got for his birthday, and that's everything. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.